In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect OpenAI ChatGPT-4 with Google Drive the easiest way possible so you can work with your files faster, summarize documents, and get answers without wasting time downloading everything manually. This is a super useful workflow for students, professionals, and anyone who uses Google Drive every day. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The simplest way to use a file from Google Drive with ChatGPT is to first open your Google Drive and find the file you want to work with. This could be a PDF, a document, a spreadsheet, or any file you need help with. Once you've found it, download the file to your computer. This step is important because at the moment, the easiest method is to upload the file directly into ChatGPT rather than connecting Drive in a more advanced way. After the file is downloaded, open ChatGPT in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. Once you're on the ChatGPT screen, look for the Upload option. This is usually the paperclip icon or the Upload File button. Click that and then select the file you downloaded from Google Drive. As soon as the upload finishes, ChatGPT can start reading the file. From there, you can ask it to summarize the document, explain the key points, pull out action items, rewrite content, or even help you analyze the data inside the file. This is what makes the process so powerful. You are basically taking a file from Google Drive and bringing it into ChatGPT so the model can work with it directly. If you have multiple files in Drive, you can repeat the same process for each one. Just remember to download the right file first, then upload it into ChatGPT. If the file is large, give it a moment to finish uploading before you start asking questions. A good tip here is to ask specific prompts like, summarize this document in bullet points, list the main deadlines, or explain this file in simple language. The clearer your prompt, the better the response. Also, if your file is a Google Docs or Google Sheets file, make sure it's exported or downloaded in a compatible format before uploading. That helps avoid issues and makes the process smoother. If needed, you can save it as a PDF or a document file first, then upload it into ChatGPT from there. This method is perfect if you just want a fast and reliable way to use ChatGPT with Google Drive content without setting up anything complicated. It's simple, safe, and very beginner-friendly. And if this video is helping you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel because I post more step-by-step tutorials like this all the time. So to quickly recap, open Google Drive, download the file, open ChatGPT, click the upload or paperclip icon, upload your file, and then ask ChatGPT to analyze it. That's the easiest way to connect OpenAI ChatGPT-4 with Google Drive files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.